Hey there, Chad Fox with All Things Foxes. Today's topic, 7 things about foxes that you probably didn't know. Let's check it out. Foxes are small to medium-sized mammals. When we think of foxes, many think of large, majestic animals. However, foxes are smaller than you may think. Foxes weigh around 2 to 20 pounds on average. A larger red fox can weigh up to 30 pounds. This makes most foxes the size of a large house cat. The average lifespan of a fox in the wild is 2 to 3 years. Foxes in the wild do not live very long, unfortunately. A red fox in the wild is lucky if it lives past 2 years old. This is because they must survive through predators, accidents, and other obstacles Mother Nature throws at them. In captivity, they can live much longer with the right care and environment. Foxes can see in the dark. Foxes are nocturnal by nature. Even though many foxes have adapted to becoming crepuscular, they still have nocturnal senses, like being able to see in the dark. They have vertical pupils that help restrict light, making them excellent hunters in night as well as in the day. Gray foxes can climb trees. Most foxes have partially retractable claws, but gray foxes have claws that allow them to climb structures like trees and maneuver up the sides of cliffs and boulders with ease. They do it so skillfully that they have been named tree foxes. The gray fox's fur even resembles the color of tree bark, which helps camouflage them from predators. Foxes sleep an average of 9 to 10 hours. Foxes usually sleep in the daytime and are active mostly at night and in twilight hours. They get more sleep than the average human. A fox in the wild can sleep anywhere between 9 and 10 hours. Foxes that live in captivity tend to adopt a similar sleeping schedule as their caretakers. Fennec foxes in the wild eat mostly insects. Fennec foxes live in the desert regions of Africa and Arabia. Their main source of food is insects. They also eat small mammals such as rodents and birds. However, their diet relies heavily on insects, so much that they could primarily be considered insectivores as well as omnivores. Foxes are not considered vermin. In most countries, foxes are not legally considered vermin. To be labeled vermin, an animal must be an unclean carrier of diseases, or an animal that can devastate livestock or crops. Foxes may kill chickens from time to time, but they could not wipe out large livestock like goats and cows, the way a coyote could. Also, they get rid of vermin, such as rats, which are a main food source for foxes. If you love foxes as much as we do, check out our merch at our Fox shop for fox shirts, fox hoodies, stickers, and more fun stuff. Also, find us on social media. Join our private All Things Foxes Facebook group to be a part of our community. If you found this video interesting, consider liking it and subscribing to our channel. And hit that bell so you get a notification every time we put out something new. Until next time.
All things foxes. This is all.